What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D-World here, bringing you another banger. Yo, for the ones I've told that I was gonna upload this video, like, the next day prior to my last video, I apologize. I've been getting tight with work, but right now I am here and I'm ready to show y'all all the mods that I have. The ones that's involved with the COVID-19, I just want to say that, I pray that everything gets well. I pray for everybody to be safe. Hopefully everything goes well. We can get this, this lockdown uplifted very soon so we can resume back to our normal lives. But for the ones that have lost their jobs, I want to say that I apologize, and I want to say that, that you have my love, and I pray that everything works right in your favor. But without further ado, let's get right into today's video.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
Excuse me for my car being dirty. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Right where I'm from, it's gonna be raining all week, so this is the only sunny day that we're gonna have. It was raining yesterday and I didn't want to clean the car. Besides, I'm gonna get a ceramic coating soon, so I want to wait on that, before I even touch my car. These are the wheels. I have the MRR M350 wheels, one of the best wheels that you can get for the S550, and I really do like these wheels. These wheels really pop my car out very much, and I was looking at it and I was like, man, when you clean these wheels up, like right now they're dirty and they look matte, but really they're gloss black. They come in 19 by 11 and a half in the back and 19 by 10 and a half in the front. These are on 285, 35 by 19s in the front, 325s by 35s by 19s in the back. They do come in a very wide wheel. The next mod you should do right after the wheels is window tint. Yo, that was my first mod actually, was window tint. It's like the next day I got the car. Well, I got the window tint wheels at the same time, but what I did was I did limo on the sides, this in the back. I did limo, and on the front windshield, I shouldn't say this, but I mean, you can do it if you want to. If any cops watching this video, don't pull me over. I haven't got pulled over yet. I try to use myself. I got 20% on the front windshield. The mod I'm going to be talking about, guys, is my Cowl hood. I got this hood not too long ago, and I love this 4-inch Cowl hood. This is a 4-inch Cowl hood, and I'll tell you, this thing made my car pop. I got this hood from American Muscle, and when I got it from American Muscle, it was all beat up. Yeah, they destroyed it. I don't know if it was American Muscle. I don't know if it was UPS, because UPS delivered it. But this hood was all messed up, and I had to go get it fixed. So I had a paint guy who fixed it. It was broken pieces off. He molded some pieces on there, and he did a very, very good job. You can't even tell that this hood was even beat up. So I'm proud of that. And he got the color spot on. But that is the mod that I have done, is the Cowl hood. And I love this Cowl hood. Now we're going on to the next mod. The next mod is the GT350 bumper. I know that y'all be like, what the HELL is wrong with his bumper? I'm gonna lie to you, the sides popped off and I was new to that. So I had to get these quick latch things right here. You can just push it off to pop the bumper off. But you would need those, so I will invest in those too, because S550s have a problem to where it breaks off. And not only S550s, Fusions do too. The fenders be popping off. But guys, I got the GT350 bumper. Yes, I know it's missing a splitter. This bumper is going to be removed right when this coronavirus is over with. This bumper is going to be removed. GT500 bumper is going to be slapped on. I will be putting that on the car, and this car is going to look very, very mean. So yeah, I got the GT350 bumper. I got the tint. I tinted all my markers, like my headlights and everything. I got the quick latch, like I mentioned in the video. You're going to need those. The next mod that I want to be talking about is I am lowered. As you can tell, it looks like I'm already on bags in the front. But no, I'm not on bags. This is the Ebok, I was playing. Whatever it is, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Ebok, however you want to pronounce it, that is what I'm on. Sport lines, I'm on those. I recommend those springs. I'm not gonna lie to you. You want a low life look, you will scrape. Guys, my car says, S550s come low, as it already is. S550s come very low. And once you lower it, you're gonna have scraping issues. I can't even make it up my driveway without taking 30 minutes to get in my garage. So that's why you'll see my car usually parked on the side, because I don't want to go through all that. One mod that I wanted to do was black out my 5.0 badges, but I never got a chance to do it. But I am going to do it though when I get all this other stuff done. It's never been my main priority because I like the way the 5.0 badge sits and I like how it pops out. But I do want to be a murdered out scene, so I am going to be blacking that out. I know I got new subscribers, and I want to appreciate you guys for, you know, subscribing to my channel. Get me up to that 1K. Like, we're grinding right now. We're at 300 something. Let's keep going. Let's keep it rocking and rolling. And if you guys watching my last video, watch this video and get it out to other people. Like I said, let's get to 1K, because I will be giving a giveaway, and I'll talk more about that once I get close to that, you know. But let's get right back into it though. If you were new to the channel, you see from my last video that I have removed, even though you can still see all the stuff on there. Like I said, I haven't washed my car yet, and I'm going to get a chance to wash it, and I'll take you guys on a tutorial how I wash my car. Well, I'm having Miko wash it, but he's going to teach me a little things, and I can give it to you. Some people have gotten that decal from me and everybody's using it, and there's one on eBay that's like a knockoff version of it. I'm not throwing shade to nobody who bought it off eBay, but it's a knockoff version of it, and they've, you know, took my decal, and so I want to do something else. I haven't really thought about that yet, but I think about just doing the stripes to keep it simple. The next mod that I want to say and talk about is that spoiler. Yo, this is one of my favorite spoilers, but sadly, I'm thinking about removing it, man. But y'all let me know, should I keep this spoiler, or should I go with the GT350R, you know, spoiler, the one that goes like, you know, it goes here and it comes down and goes like, you know, like a little loop, you know what I mean? You can go look it up. Comes carbon fiber. Should I do that, or should I keep this spoiler? Because they don't even make this gurney flap no more, really. They don't sell it no more. I don't know why, but they don't have them. You guys let me know if I should keep it or should I rock with something else. The next thing, like I said, I mentioned I tinted everything. I tinted my tail lights, my solder markers, and I tinted the top brake light. The next mod I want to talk about is the rear valence. This rear valence pop, dude, I saw this and I was like, I have to get this. This rear valence pops the back end out. I feel like the S550's back end was like, you know, not that aggressive looking. So that back end right there added that little, you know, tap to it. I wanted to see that back end pop, so that's why I got this to make it pop. One other mod that I do have, GT500 Coyote badge. I am going to be getting 2 more of those, but I'm going to get the real ones. There's 2. There's one with this, and there's another one with the Coyote facing up, like howling. I'm going to get the one facing up howling because those do not fade. And these, like, this was red, but it faded away. So the ones that I am going to get does not fade. And like I said, don't mind my dirty car. It's going to get washed. Guys, you may look like, man, what the hell's wrong with your back? Like where your exhaust at? I'm waiting on my Course Extremes to get here. I have the quad Course Extreme tips, and I have this rear valence, so I didn't want to have to, like, I already ordered it, so I didn't want to order another one. So I did cut my bumper to fit. I have to, like, trim some of the rear valence up too on the sides just so it can fit, or probably not. I probably just have to line it, because this side is good. I just have to line this side more. So I'm gonna take that off and line it up with the, I'm gonna take that off, put the exhaust on, and then line it up. I'm waiting for that to get here. Gotta wait after this COVID-19 stuff to get over with so they can ship it here. Once that gets here, we're gonna be doing installation video of that, and we're gonna be rocking and rolling from there. All right, now we're gonna go into the engine mods. So this is what I have done. Guys, don't worry about it being white underneath, because I'm gonna get a wrap on that too. It's gonna have like D-World, and it's gonna have my logo right here with a little wrap design. We already coming up with that. I'm going with the Paxton supercharger. To me, I like the Paxton way better because of the sound. I'm gonna be getting the supercharger in a couple months. That's why I kept the ball stereo 2. My ball stereo 2 is ported. I have ported heads. I have Cook's long tube headers. I have the P-Max cold air intake, which this is going to be gone. I'm probably going to take that off today to give to the guy. Port 18 is at home. So I have ported heads, ported ball stereo 2, ported throttle body, P-Max cold air intake. I was going to install cams, but my tuner told me not to because it's just wastes a whole built motor or a short block. It's going to come with it's going to be sleeved. It's going to come with a bunch of goodies, you know, and I'm going to be getting it from MMR Racing. That's what I'm going to be getting it for but the plan is to just slap the supercharger on here, OPGs, crank sprocket, to keep it around 850 to 900, and it's not going to be a daily driver, so you don't have to worry about that. And I know you guys are going to be like, man, your motor's going to blow, but, you know, stuff happens. So if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, you know, that's a blessing, and I pray that it doesn't. Hopefully it keeps up for a year. so I can get enough to get the built block. And once the built block is in, that's when I'm gonna turn that thing up and I'm gonna max that blower out. I'm gonna tell you that now, I am. I know why Ford hasn't done this yet is hood struts. Get rid of the prop bar. Like, come on now, that's so old. Like, I feel like that even the 14 should have had the hood, like, you know, the hood struts. And that's one thing that I say that you should do, because that pops, like, I don't know, it just gives you that crisp look when you're just popping up your hood and go. A built transmission, a stage 3 transmission from Ben Claimer, and I have an MGW short throw shifter, and I have a RXT clutch, and I'm gonna be getting the front Coyote decal, and pretty much that's gonna be like, you know. Oh, and I'm gonna do my insides too, because my insides is just basic. So yeah, and the interior, I have, you know, stock seats. You know, I have the MGW short throw shifter with the red knob. Okay, so my plan with the car is to get the Bullet, you know, the Bullet digital dash. I'm gonna be getting that. I'm gonna be upgrading to the big screen, touchscreen, Sync 3 radio. So I'm gonna get this factory display out. I'm gonna be upgrading to the Shelby GT350R. Steering wheel is gonna be full carbon fiber. My whole like inside is gonna be from like the dash to the center console and all the way back. This is gonna be carbon fibered. I'm gonna put racing seats in. I'm not really going with the Kirky seats because I don't like the way they feel and I like to be comfortable. And I'm gonna be boosted anyway, pushing a whole bunch of horsepower, so it don't even matter. I do have everything deleted in the back, so I will be getting the rear seat delete kit. And guys, I'm gonna be tracking this car too. I'm gonna be taking it to the drag strip. Oh, and I forgot about this. Speaking of the drag strip, I'm gonna be taking it to the drag strip once everything is good, but I will not be anytime soon. It's gonna be a street racer until I get rear axles, the suspension, BMR suspension, Viking shocks, and until I get the whole K member, like all the racing setup. I did get a tune. I will take it to a dyno to see what it really makes, so you guys won't be like, oh man, you're not making no 900 or no 850, you out of your damn mind, you know, like stuff like that. But I will take it to a dyno once that stuff gets on, so you guys know that, you know, I'm a man of my word. You know, I want to be a man of my word to you guys. I want to, you know, sit here and lie to you guys. But this car is about to do a whole complete 360 car / drag strip car, guys. Like, for real, this car really is going to be a weekend warrior, because I'm telling you, once I put the supercharger on, this car, it's not going to be getting driven in the weekdays like ever. Thank you guys for watching my videos and being there rocking with me. You know, we're going to take off, man, and I appreciate everybody that's new and that has subbed to me. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all for liking my video. Guys, man, please, if you're watching my video, I cannot stress this out enough. Hit that sub button. It's a free button. It's easy. Just click on it. Click the like button. Leave a comment. You know, I'll always respond to everybody. Even when I blow up and go big, I'm still gonna respond to everybody. Like, that's just me. I would take the time out of my day to respond to y'all because you making these videos, you know. And I'm doing it for y'all, man. Everything that y'all see, I do it for y'all. If y'all need me to do something different, if y'all think of something different that I need to do, just let me know. And I'll consider it, you know, a good outcome. I'll easily do it. But guys, man, I really do appreciate y'all for real. Get me to that 1K. Let's get this thing rocking, you know, and we're going to take off. 2020, we're taking off, man. And I know everything is like, you know, kind of slow right now. And we don't have that much to upload. And I don't have that much to upload on my car. But without further ado, I'm D-World, and I'm gone.